Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our half bar 16 grit grinding plate and the extra soft bond. Great for very hard concrete. If you want to profile the concrete for a coating, this is the tool for you. It works well on light machines and on heavy machines for ultra hard concrete. Has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 7-inch 175mm Cyclone concrete wheel. Now this wheel we use for like removing adhesives, paints, little buildup coatings. It leaves a very fine scratch pattern, no surprise gouging in the surface. It has a great wear rate, it takes high speeds. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters with the plug-and-go pins. This is great for machines like the Werkmasters. Imagine, you want to be married to a system that's proprietary, and you have to pay so much money for a set of diamonds. Imagine only paying a quarter of that. End of year, it's a lot of savings. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Rhombus double 6 grit medium bond grinding plate. It's a true 6 grit. It's not synthetic. It's also a heavy concentration. It's considered premium. It holds a heavier concentration, 30% more than the norm. This is going to give you a heavy aggressive scratch. Has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our split PCD coating removal tool. Now this is a tool we use for removing like old frail concrete, stamped concrete. It's really good at removing. Light coatings like glues or paints is really good at removing. Ultra hard concrete, really good at opening up. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Phantom polishing pads in 3-inch form, 76mm. This is a pad for us we've been selling for near 2 decades. It has a long life. It works wet and or dry. It does no resin transfer. It works on heavy machines and light machines. Message me now.